session, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magsasolve pa tayo ng additional problems on basic laws. So, proceed tayo sa number 1. So, number 1, determine the resistance of a conductor 0.10 meters long with a uniform diameter of 1.0 centimeter and having a resistivity which varies as a function of length L, measured from one end of T according to the formula ρ is equal to 0.003 plus 10 raised to negative 4 L squared ohms centimeter. So, ang tinatanong sa ating problem number 1 is resistance. So, lalagay ko na dito, required, okay, resistance in ohms. So, determine the resistance of A given is length, okay, 0.10 meters with a uniform diameter ng 1.0 centimeter and having a resistivity which varies as a function of L. So, meron tayong resistivity as a function of L. So, ang formula natin is 0.003 plus 10 raised to negative 4 L squared. Ayan. So, we have to, so given yung, yung function ng rho natin in terms of L. Okay, kapag given yung diameter length, we know that ang formula natin dyan, okay, meron tayong formula dyan na R is equal to rho, okay, L over A. Okay, so, usually, ginagamit natin yan if we have parameter for area, diameter, ang given dyan, length, and resistivity. But in our case, ang given is a function of resistivity in terms of the length. Okay? Since stated na dito na yung ating, ito yung mga constant or fixed na. Yung length, okay? Length and diameter. So, sila yung gagamitin natin as mga constant sa ating equation na madiderive. Okay? But since ang resistivity natin is a function of L, definitely, ang mangyayari niyan, nakalagay naman dito that L is measured from one end. So, ito yung magiging basihan natin ng limit. Okay. So, ito, i-improve natin yung ating equation that R, okay, constant kasi yung, or fixed yung ating diameter. So, doon na magbabase ang area. So, i-set aside na natin dito yung formula ng area. Okay. Oops. And then, meron tayong equation ng rho. Okay, in terms of L na yan. Rho d of L. Ayan. Okay, so, para makuha natin yung exact equation for the value of the resistance, syempre, functions ang given, mag-i-integrate tayo. So, it is a function of length, okay? Ang limit natin ay from 0, okay, measured from 1 and up to 0.10, okay, 0.10 meters. But, yung mga units natin kasi dito, yung diameter centimeter, yung ating formula ng resistivity is in terms of centimeter. So, kung convert natin itong length in terms of meters is 1 meter, okay, that is 100 centimeter. Okay, complete natin. So, that is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Ayan. So, from 0 to 10. So, ito yung magiging working equation natin ngayon. Ayan. So, hindi siya direct substitution. Rather, mag-integrate tayo. Okay. So, bago yon, since constant kasi or fixed na yung area natin, kunin na natin yung area para meron na tayong value dyan. For area, in terms of diameter, pi d square over 4. Okay, pi, ano yung diameter natin? 1.0 centimeter squared over 4. So, that is area pi over 4 centimeter squared. So, ito yung sa-substitute natin mamaya dito. Okay, lalagay natin mamaya yan dito. Dun sa equation natin. Pi over 4. Okay. So, pwede na natin isolve. Sa tingin ko, ayan. Ito yung, dito na lang tayo mag-start yung ating solution. Ito yung, derivation ng formula natin. Okay. So, R is equal to 1 over A from 0 to 10, okay, raw DL. Okay, so R, substitute 1 over pi over 4 from 0 to 10. Ang raw natin is 0.003 plus 10 raised to negative 4 L raised to 2 D of L. And then integrate natin. Simplify natin yung 1 over pi over 4. So, ayusin lang natin yan. That will become 4 over pi. And then ito, differentiate 0.003 dl, integrate 0.003 dl, integral of 0.003 dl is L plus constant, 10 raised to negative 4. And then L raised to 2 power formula, L raised to 3 over 3. Okay? And then from 0 to 10, limits. Okay. Medyo nag-alangan ang ating board. So, maybe pwede kong ilipat. Sige. Okay. And then, pwede na natin i-substitute. Okay? Pwede na natin i-substitute. Dapat dito na lang nilagay yung area. Lipat ko lang. Tagalin na natin ito dito. Para malaki ang space. Okay. So, R is equal to 4 over pi. Okay, maglagay tayo ng limit natin ng 0.003 multiplied by 10. Okay. 10 plus 10 raised to negative 4 of 10 raised to 3 over 3. Okay. Minus, actually, pwede nang i-0 to. Kasi lower limit natin, 0 lahat. So, 0.003 times 0. Okay. Plus 10 raised to negative 4. 0 raised to 3 over 3. Ayan. Ayan. Naka-multiply yan kay pi over 4. So, ito, 0.003 times 0 plus 10 raised to negative 4 times 0 over 3. So, 0 na to. Okay, so ang matitira niyan, 4 over pi multiplied by itong term natin. So, using your calculator, so R is equivalent to 0.08606 ohms. So, yan yung ating answer for number 1. Okay. Next, punta na tayo sa problem number 2. Okay, the problem number 2 is about measurements. What is the size in square millimeter? What is the size in square millimeter is the cable of 250,000 circular mil. Okay, so yung circular mil kasi is an old measurement sa mga gauges ng wire natin, no? Baka ma-encounter nyo sa board exam, kaya sinama ko to. Kasi this problem is from a reviewer. Okay, circular mil muna. Okay, so pinapa-convert niya yung it is actually yung circular mil ay unit of area yan. Okay? In terms of diameter na ang unit ay mil. Okay. So, pinapa-convert niya in square millimeter. Square, yung ating area. Okay. Take note muna natin, okay, yung circular mil. Okay. Lagay muna tayo ng konting lecture. Okay, yung circular mil. Okay, circular mil is area of a circle having a diameter of 1 mil. Ayan, 1 mil. Okay. Ngayon, ang area, ang formula niya ay cm is equal to d squared. Square mo lang yung diameter. But the diameter, take note the diameter should be in or in terms of million dapat. Okay? So, paano natin mako-convert yung mga units natin to mil? Ang conversion unit natin is 1,000 mil. For every 1 inch, there is 1,000 mil. So, ayan yung conversion factor niya. Ayan. Tapos kapag nakuha nyo yung, gusto nyo kunin yung area, square nyo lang yung diameter niya. Okay? So, kung given ang diameter sa inches, convert mo sa mil, and then square mo, yun na yung area niya in terms of circular mil. Yung MCM, parang abbreviation lang niya, like kilo, etc. So, that is 1,000 circular mil. So, ang given natin, okay, so ang given natin ay yung ating cm or circular mil area is 250 mcm. Convert na lang natin. So, that is equivalent to, okay, mcm is 1,000, 250,000 circular mil. Ayan. So, para makuha natin yung area in terms of square millimeter, so, kailangan natin kunin yung original diameter. And then, substitute natin sa formula ng pi d square over 4. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung diameter. So, cm is equal to d square. Okay. Now, square both sides. Kailangan kasi natin makuha yung square both sides diameter. So, d is equal to the square root of circular mil. So, d is yung square root ng circular mil natin na 250,000 circular mil. So, d is equal to square root of 250. Square root of 250 is 500. Okay. Anong unit natin? Mil. Ayan o. Pag nag-square mo, mil yan. Ngayon, itong mil na to, convert natin sa, kasi gusto yung square millimeter. So, kailangan naka-inches tayo, tapos convert natin sa millimeter. So, for every 1,000 mil, there is 1 inch of 1 inch. And then, kasi makaka-cancel yan. Ayan. Tapos, ang susunod naman, yung inches, gagawin natin millimeters. So, times, ano conversion natin? So 1 inch, merong 25.4 millimeter. So, D is equal to, so cancel out ulito. Ayan. Matitira is a unit of diameter. A unit of the diameter in terms of millimeters. Ayan. So, now, we can get area. Okay, using A is equal to pi d square over 4. So, A is equal to pi times 12.7 millimeter square over 4. So, the area is, the area is 126.67 square millimeter.